Basic hydraulic system. What is hydraulic? Why fluid can lift heavy load? Or why this system is so familiar? Today I will take you on an adventure on knowing the basic of this system. Let's get started. First, I am going to take you back to 1647 to meet Blaise Pascal, a genius mathematician who found Pascal law that define hydraulic system. The law stated that pressure applied to a confined fluid is transmitted equally throughout the fluid and to the walls of the container. This principle allows hydraulic systems to multiply force, enabling relatively small input forces to generate large output forces. Enough for the history and math lesson. Let's jump into the most interesting topic. That's it, how the hydraulic works. In the opening, I have mentioned that hydraulic system is familiar. I call it that way because the hydraulic system works exactly the same to our body. Here's the explanation. Our body and hydraulic system. In our body, the heart pumps blood through the veins and arteries. In a hydraulic system, the pump pushes oil through hoses and pipes. When blood reaches our muscles, it gives them the power to contract and move our arms and legs. In hydraulics, when oil reaches a cylinder or motor, it creates force and movement too. Our brain decides which muscle should move by sending signals through the nervous system. Similarly, valves in hydraulics act like the brain's switches. They control where the fluid goes, how much pressure is applied, and when the system should stop or start. So in brief, here it is how the hydraulic system works. Pump, push oil and create flow through hose or pipe. Valves direct the oil from pump to actuator. And finally, actuator produce movement. That's a wrap for our adventure. Hope you like and thanks for watching.